Bushnell Marine 7x50 hands-on, rangefinder plus compass that actually work at night. You're on the helm at 3 a.m., pitch black, fog rolling in, and you can't find the damn marker buoy. Heart in your throat, hands shaking on cheap binoculars that just fogged up again. Ever felt like the ocean is winning? Drop yes in the comments if you've ever prayed for better glass on the water. Salt spray in your eyes, hands freezing. That sick moment you realize you're too far off course and the GPS just died. Now imagine lifting one tool to your face and suddenly seeing crisp, bright bearings glowing red inside the view, while the boat rocks like a drunk. That calm just became yours. Say hello to the offshore cheat code every captain keeps in the grab bag. The Bushnell Marine 7x50 with illuminated compass and internal rangefinder. 7x50 Porro BaK-4 glass throws a stupidly bright image from dawn to civil twilight. Nitrogen-purged, O-ring sealed, fully waterproof. Drop it overboard and it floats back like a loyal dog. Red-illuminated compass stays rock steady in 4-foot chop. Rangefinder Reticle lets you calculate distance to anything you can see. Individual focus means once it's set, everything from 25 feet to the horizon stays razor sharp. No fiddling while steering. Last summer my buddy Ryan was beating into 30 knots off Hatteras, electronics blacked out, and used the Bushnell to shoot bearings on 3 lighthouses. Nailed the inlet first try, while every other boat was circling lost. That's not binoculars. That's a $50,000 plotter disguised as glass. Keep reading for the one trick that makes the rangefinder scary accurate every single time. This is the 7x50 thousands of skippers, charter captains, and Coast Guard auxiliaries swear by when lives are on the line. A delivery captain with 200,000 miles told me, "I've got Steiners in the locker. The Bushnell is the one I actually reach for at 0400. SV Delo's crew said on camera, "We crossed the Atlantic with these at the helm. The compass never drifted once." One optics tester measured light transmission and just wrote, "It's cheating how bright these are at civil twilight." Real user in our sailing group last week. Fog so thick you couldn't see the bow. Bushnell picked up the sea buoy at 2 miles and gave me the exact range. I slid in like it was daylight. Worried 7x is too weak? Wait till you try holding 10x steady in a seaway. Your arms will thank you. Think Porro is old tech? Tell that to the crystal clear edge-to-edge view that makes roof prism binos look sick. See why thousands of us never leave the dock without this brick? Comment your scariest night entry below. I'll tell you exactly how the Bushnell would have saved your soul. Join the captains who finally sleep on night watch because they can actually see. The Bushnell Marine 7x50 delivers fogproof, floatable, range-finding, compass-equipped confidence that turns panic into "I got this." Stock is disappearing fast this season. Every serious boater is grabbing one before the next passage. Click the link in the description right now and make your next night entry feel like daylight. Thousands of us have been in that dark, heart-pounding moment. This is how we never go back. Come see clearly.